Good morning, I am Meenakshi with you. Welcome once again in our online class of STBA. Student, today our topics are continents and oceans. As we know, the earth cooled down from its hot burning stage, a rocky crust formed on the surface. This crust gave off heat and steam, and the clouds were formed by this steam and heat. And the water from the rainfall got collected in low-lying areas of earth crust and formed oceans. So we can see the water that is got collected in the low-lying areas is formed oceans. Here continents, huge land masses are called continents. There are 7 continents. According to their size in decreasing order, they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Children, here Asia is the largest continent of the world and Australia is the smallest continent of the world. Our earth is very big in size. We cannot see all the earth at the same time. But if we want to study the earth, we need a map or we need a globe. A globe is a true model of the earth and a map is a representation of the earth on a flat surface like a paper. So if we want to study our continents, we need a map or we need a globe. Here I am going to show you these all continents on a world map. Student, see on this world map, you can see here 7 continents are showing. Here Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Africa, Australia. These are 7 continents. First of all, we will see Asia. Asia lies almost entirely in the northern hemisphere. Only some islands of Southeast Asia lie in the southern hemisphere. Russia is the largest country of Asia and it is the largest continent of the world in terms of area and population wise. Now, according to their decreasing order, Africa is the second largest continent of the world. See, Africa, the equator passes almost through the middle of Africa. Nobody knew what was inside the continent till the 19th century, so it was called the Dark Continent. You can see it is bounded by oceans and seas on all sides, and the Sahara, world's largest hot desert, lies in this continent. And world's longest river, that is Nile, is also flow in this continent. Now see North America and South America. Children, you can see North America and South America are joined by a isthmus. Isthmus is a narrow strip of land connecting two large land areas that is separated by water bodies. So, North America and South America are joined by a narrow strip of land that lie between Caribbean Sea and Pacific Oceans. Children, North America, northern part of this continent is covered by snow almost throughout the year. For a very long time, Europeans did not know of the existence of North and South America. They knew only about Africa and Asia. Now see this Antarctica. It is also known as White Continent because it is covered with ice and snow all through the year. That is why it is called White Continent. Antarctica lies almost entirely within the Antarctic Circle. It is the coldest place on the earth. Student, it does not have any permanent human settlement. About 1,000 to 5,000 people live through the year at their science centers for their research work. Now see Europe. It is like a peninsula of Asia. It extends from western side of Asia. The Ural Mountains separate Europe from Asia. It is a beautiful continent. City of Lake, Finland is also in Europe. It has thousands of lakes. Can you imagine? There is a place on earth where sun never sets. Yes, there is a place in Europe, that is Norway. Norway is called land of midnight sun for about a period of 76 days from May to late July. Sun never sets. So this is the interesting fact about Europe. Now see, this is the smallest continent, Australia. It is made up of coral. Coral is a hard substance formed from the bones of very small sea animal. It consists of countries like Australia, Papua New Guinea and Timor. This island or this continent has a unique feature. It has a great attraction for tourists. You can see in this picture there is Olympic Games logo. In this logo 5 circles are showing. These 5 circles show 5 continents because sometimes the North America and South America are counted as one continent, and there is no permanent human settlement in Antarctica. Hence, Olympic Games logo show 5 circles to show 5 continents. Student, you must have gone to a sea beach. On the sea beach, you see a large water body which is almost unending to your eyes. The water body which you see at the sea beach, it is a part of the ocean. So these huge water bodies are oceans and it has salty water. Our planet Earth is distributed into 5 oceans according to their decreasing order. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So we can say water from the rainfall got collected into low-lying areas on the earth. They are known as oceans, or we can say vast water bodies on the earth are called oceans. There are 5 oceans according to their decreasing order. They are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Antarctic and Arctic. Now we will study these oceans on a map. Students, you can see on this world map these all 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Children, you can see Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean of the world. It is left side of the North America. Mariana Trench, it is the deepest place on the earth that is lie in the Pacific Ocean. Now see the Atlantic Ocean. It lies between Europe and America, and it is the second largest ocean. It is also world's most busiest ocean for cargo traffic and passengers. Now see third one. It is Indian Ocean. It is the only ocean that has named after a country, that is India. It is below the South India and extends as the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal. Now see Southern Ocean. It is near Antarctica, and this one is Arctic Ocean. Most of the Arctic Ocean is permanently covered with floating raft of sea ice. It is around the North Pole. You can see it is around this North Pole. So we can say all the 7 continents and 5 oceans makes together our planet Earth. So all the water bodies together form the hydrosphere, and 7 continents and 5 oceans makes together our beautiful planet Earth. Children, I hope you understood about continent and oceans, and I will explain it again on map and on a globe when we will meet in our class. Thank you.